Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today's video is a bit different because someone asked me how to apply Attar oils or Oud oils on your body or clothes. So in this video I'm going to show you different methods I use to enjoy Attar oils or perfume oils or Oud oils and how you can apply them on your skin and what actually destroys them. So if you are not using the proper way, you are not going to get the actual fragrance of that oil. Okay, so let's start with this one. So this is Musk Malaki from Swiss Arabian, and as you can see it is white in color because it has it almost transparent. So if you are wearing a white cloth or some clothes that are light colored clothes, right now I'm wearing a black, so if you are wearing light clothes you can use this even on your clothes, but not apparently. You can tap them maybe under your cuffs somewhere like this, so somewhere like this, so just a little tap or something like this, and it is going to stay a lot. Sometimes what I do is, if I'm wearing a jacket or some coat or something over my clothes, so I usually do it, I just tap it, open the coat or jacket and tap it inside the jacket, and the scent actually stays for like 6 or 7 days in my jacket and my clothes, and sometimes it is very addictive and it smells really great. So in winter I would say you can use this method of tapping that, just a little tap, don't rub, never rub this. So if you are tapping on your clothes, don't try to rub it, okay, because it is a oil, it will stain a little bit, but on as it is transparent, it is not going to be much visible if you try to put it in front of your clothes. Okay, so try to hide it somewhere inside your clothes, maybe on your collars, behind your collars, something like that, and inside your cuffs, somewhere where it is thick and it's easier to apply the oils. Okay, so this is how you apply transparent or perfumes oil that doesn't have much of the color. So next comes this is again an Attar, and it has a few Oud oils, few sandalwood mixes, few florals and musk grains. So you can see musk grains at the bottom of this. So if I keep it a bit closer to you, maybe you can see that it has musk grains at the bottom of this bottle. So this is actually all the raw ingredients mixed together, really lovely Attar. Now if you try to put something like this on your white clothes, it is really going to leave its stain, and I think it's difficult to wash. Okay, so you have to wash it with hands maybe to remove that. Sometimes even they are not going to be removed, so make sure you don't apply these on your clothes when they have some color, or sometimes they have Oud oil, sometimes they have something like some other ingredients that are going to stain your clothes. So what I do is I actually just use it like this, and you have to tap it just a slice like this. So this is the actual stick, dipstick we call it. Just slice it on your skin, and I normally tap it like this. So just tap it like this, light tap, and if you want to tap it over here, that is up to you, but don't try to rub it like this. So this is going to waste this oil. I have seen that if you try to rub this oil, it is mostly it went to its dry down state. It dries very quickly because you have rubbed all the surface oil that was going to emit some fragrance when it is going to get the body heat. So this is really a waste of a method. If you're trying to rub the oil, Oud oil or Attar oil or perfume oil like that, you are wasting it. Okay, so don't try to rub it. Okay, so I can see there are saffron strands in it. So this is really lovely oil. fragrant flame it is. It has multiple oud oils and sandalwood and a lot of other things. So if you have a colorful oil, don't try to rub it, just use it, tap it. And if you are wearing black like this, so you can use it on your clothes too. So what I normally do is I am going to move my collar like this and inside like this over here, and maybe inside my cuffs and like this, so you can use that. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the third method which I use when I have to, enjoy the scent more than the others. Okay, so not mostly the leftovers I wipe it with the back of my hand with my hair, so it is going to stay on my hair. Okay, so the last method which I use to enjoy myself is that I put it on my beard. So I just use a dab. Make sure your beard is not wet, it's dry, and I try to use something like this, and it is going to get really, really good, because with each sniff you are going to get the oud oil and its smell. Okay, so one last tip for women: if you are a woman and of course you don't have a beard, then you can use use the oil over here at the bottom of your face, at the bottom of your chin, and just tap it in this area like this and like this. Okay, so you will get everything. You can also use it at the back of your neck like this. So I am a little bit over with this, loaded with this oud oil. My wife doesn't like it, so maybe I have to wash it after few hours. And this is my video. I have shown you 2 or 3 methods with transparent oils and with the dark oils. If you have a dark oil, don't try to use it on your white clothes, because sometimes with the mistake, actually a few days ago I was wearing a white shirt, and what I did is I was trying to be very you can say wise, that I was very clever that I should use it, I'm wearing white, so I should use it on my neck. So while doing that, a few drops actually stained my white clothes, and when I noticed that, it was very late. So it was already dried and messed up my white clothes. So make sure, don't try to be clever like me, and whenever you are applying Attar oils, perfume oils, try to keep all these tips. Don't try to rub, don't try it on your very white or clothes where the stain is visible. Try to apply it inside the jackets, around your collars, inside your cuffs, inside your collars, inside your jackets, or maybe scarves. If you are a woman, you are wearing a scarf or head scarf, hijab, whatever, you can use that. You can apply it inside the hijab, or if you are using some scarf while wearing, you can use that on your scarf. So clothes that are that are not going to be washed very often, like your jackets, scarves, they are the best way of applying oud oils or perfume oils. Okay, so that is my video about how to use or oud oils or apply oud oils on your clothes, on your skin, and I will end this video now. I hope you have enjoyed my methods. I normally do is I normally use my beard or sometimes over here just to get the whiffs of the oud oils. I have seen and heard that some of the doctors or surgeons that love oud oils or perfume oils, they actually put the oud oil in their surgery mask. So just a tap of surgery inside the surgery mask, and they put the mask on and enjoy the scent. So there are 2 people in the world. There are ones who like to enjoy the scent themselves, and there are ones who would like others to sniff it. So that's all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.